Hello everyone, welcome back. Practice set 16.2. Question number 1. In each example given below, radius and base of a cylinder and its height are given. Then find the curved surface area and total surface area. In first example, radius is 7 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter. So solution, radius is equal to 7 centimeter and height is equal to 10 centimeter. As you know that the formula of curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH is equal to 2 into pi 22 upon 7 into R radius 7 into H height 10 centimeter. When we solve this, 22 into 2 44 into 10 is equal to 440 square centimeter. We have taken out here area, that's why square centimeter. Now total surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r in bracket r plus h. Here 2 pi into 22 upon 7 into r is 7 in bracket r radius 7 plus height 10 is equal to 7 get cancelled, 22 2s are 44 into 10 plus 7 17. When we multiply this, 748, this is also area, that's why square centimeter. Okay, means we had taken out curved surface area of cylinder and total surface area of cylinder when we have given radius and height. Now in second example, radius r is equal to 1.4 centimeter, height h is equal to 2.1 centimeter. Now curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. That's why 2 into pi 22 upon 7 into r means 1.4 into h means 2.1 is equal to, when we simplify, 7 1s are 7, 0.7 2s are 14. When we multiply all this, we got the answer 18.48 square centimeter. This is the curved surface area of cylinder. Now we will find out total surface area of cylinder and formula is 2 pi r in bracket r plus h is equal to 2 into pi means 22 upon 7 into r is 1.4 in bracket r 1.4 plus h means 2.1 is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 1.4 into, when we add this, when we simplify this bracket, we got 3.5, and finally when we multiply all this, we got the answer 30.80 square centimeter. Okay, finally you have to write down one sentence. Curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 18.48 square centimeter and total surface area of cylinder is equal to 30.80 square centimeter. Now third question,